Good morning, students. How are you feeling for today's lesson?
Very good.
Good. Okay, that's good to know. So, before I start today's lesson, I want to ask you one question. What month are we currently in?
December.
Okay, and what do we celebrate in December?
Christmas.
Exactly. So, anyone here celebrates Christmas? Okay, that's good. We have a friend here who celebrates Christmas. Now, with that being said, I want to show you an image, and I want you to tell me what you see. Okay? Okay, what can you see from this image?
Santa Claus.
Okay, Santa Claus. More?
Present.
Okay, presents. What else do you see?
A lot of snow.
Snow. Okay, now let me ask you this question. Where are the two big Christmas trees located?
Outside. Behind.
Behind. It's behind the house. And where is Santa Claus standing?
In front.
In front of?
The house.
In front of the house or?
Beside the table.
Beside the table. And where are the lights?
On the
That's
door.
right, on the door. Okay, so with that being said, can you guess where I'm going with this? What are we learning today?
What do you think?
Can you tell?
Prepositions.
That's right, we're learning about prepositions. Okay, so now let's move to the learning objectives that we are aiming to achieve today. Basically, we're going to read a text and you're going to be able to identify prepositional words and phrases in context, as well as write sentences using 10 different prepositions accurately in context. Okay, now let's move straight into the lessons. What are prepositions? Can you name me some prepositions that you know? Under, on, above, behind. So you know quite a lot of prepositions, right? You're familiar with prepositions. But here is the definition of what a preposition is. It is a word that shows where, when, or how something is in relation to something else. Okay? So prepositions can be categorized differently. However, based on what I'm about to teach you, I categorized it into three different components. We have preposition of time, preposition of place, and preposition of movement or manner. Okay, preposition of time would be prepositions such as on, at, after, before, during. So that falls under preposition of time. For preposition of place, what do you think? At. That's right. So you have at, you have on, and preposition of movement would be across, into, through, under, above. So all of these are preposition of movement when you move from one place to another. Okay. And prepositions can also be one single word, like what you had just told me. In, on, at, above, below. Or it could be compound phrases like in front of, behind of, next to, out of. So that's basically that. Okay, now have you ever heard about the preposition song? No, you've never heard about it? It's okay. I'm going to introduce this song to you today. So I'm going to sing it once, and after I'm done singing, I would like the whole class to follow with me. Okay? Okay, it goes like this. It goes to the tune of Barney or Yankee Doodle. Okay? Above, across, after, at, around, before, behind, below, beside, between, by, down, during, for, from, in, inside, on, to, off, on, out, to, under, up, with, and that's the preposition song. Okay? So can we all sing it together now?
Yes.
Ready? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Above, across, after, at, around, before, behind, below, beside, between, by, down, during, for, from, in, inside, on, to, off, on, out, to, under, up, with, and that's the preposition song. Yay! Do you like the song? Is it catchy?
Yes.
Okay, so this is the preposition song. Now with that, can we move to the first activity?
Yay!
Okay, so the first activity is about reading. So I'm going to give answer the questions below. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Wait, I take my pen.
Okay, no problem. Okay, I'll give you 5 minutes to answer the worksheet, okay?
Teacher, do you have pen?
No.
It's okay, we share.
Yes, please share the pen. Okay. Are you having any trouble?
No pen.
Teacher. Yeah, so you're saying. Okay. Anyone having trouble answering?
No.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Okay, is everyone done? One more question. Okay, one more question.
Okay.
Okay, can we discuss the answers now?
Yes.
Okay, so here are the answers. Can you check it's all correct? Can we discuss it together? Okay, first question. Where were the presents placed?
Under the large Christmas tree.
Okay, under the large Christmas tree. Who was working next to the fireplace?
The elves.
The elves. Okay, where did Jingle find one of the missing presents?
Between the toy trains and the dog.
Okay, that's right. Between the toy trains and the dolls. Number 4, where was Twinkle looking for the presents?
In front of the toy workshop.
Yes, in front of the toy workshop. What's the preposition in this sentence? In front. And how about this one? Between. Okay. And how about the last question? What did Sparkle notice on the top shelf?
A small box.
A small box. Okay, that's it for activity 1. Good job, everyone. How many answers did you get right?
5.
5 out of 5.
Yes.
Okay, not bad. That's good. Good attempt, everyone. Okay, now, are you ready for the second activity?
Yes.
Okay, let's move on to the second activity, which is writing. Okay, so I have 2 worksheets for the both of you, for the whole class. So, this is a worksheet where you are now in Santa's workshop. Okay, the prompt here is you are in Santa's workshop. You are an elf, but a few presents have gone missing. Now you have to find those presents. All you have to do is use 10 different prepositions to describe where you go and what you see. Okay? You can write as many sentences as you like, but try writing about 6 to 8 sentences. Is that okay?
Okay.
Is the instructions clear?
Yes.
Okay, please start. I'll give you 5 minutes to complete the activity. Use 10 different prepositions, okay? I can show you the preposition song in case you want any words to use from here. Are you done?
We present.
Wow.
Present.
Right? Okay. Is everyone done? Yes? No? Do you need more time?
Yes.
Okay, I'll give you another 1 minute. Okay, can we discuss? Okay, who would like to volunteer to read their story? Their sentence? Crystal, you want to go?
Okay.
Okay, please read your answer.
So my sentences is I was working together with the head elf in the Santa's workshop as I got lazy and went behind the house outside next to the big Christmas tree figure. The head elf was behind me the whole time.
Okay, so what are the prepositions that you use in your story?
I have used in, next, and behind.
Sorry, can you repeat that?
In, behind, I'm not sure next is a preposition.
Next is a
Okay, and
Did
next.
you use the word with? Because yeah, so with is also a preposition. Okay, that's good. A very good attempt. Please clap for your friend who volunteered. Do you want to go next? Can I read what you have so far?
Sure.
Okay.
So, there are some presents missing from the workshop. I need to look around the workshop in order to find it all. I've tried looking everywhere. Under the table, on the table, behind the table, everywhere around the workshop.
Okay.
That's what I've got so far.
Oh, that's really good. That's a very good attempt. I believe you used more than 5 prepositions, right?
I think so.
Okay, that's good. Thank you so much for sharing your answers. Good job, everyone. So, if in the future you would want to use more prepositions, do remember there's the preposition song for you to get your prepositions from. Okay, now that's all for the second activity. Now, before I end today's class, I would like to reinforce what we have learned today. Now, what can you see here? Caterpillar. Okay, this is a big red apple, right? Can you read it along with me? What is this caterpillar doing? It's
Above
the apple. This one? Through the apple.
inside
the apple.
on the apple,
Up
the apple, within the apple,
Down the apple.
below the apple, beside the apple.
Okay, so now do you understand what prepositions are all about?
Yes.
Okay, so now with that being said, I believe we have come to the end of our lesson, and I would like to know what exactly did you learn today from today's class?
How to use prepositions.
How to use prepositions? Someone? What have you learned?
How to construct sentences using preposition.
That's right. How to write sentences using prepositions. What's another big thing that you learned today? The
The preposition
That's right, you learned a preposition song. Okay, now, since the holidays are around the corner and you're going to go for a very long break, am I right?
Yes.
Your homework or your task would be to memorize the preposition song, and when you come back after the holidays, I would like each and every one of you to sing the song to me. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay, so that is your task for the holidays. What on a scale from 1 to 10, how much did you think you learned about prepositions today? 11. Wow. Above the scale. Okay, that's good to know. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, students. Merry Christmas to those celebrating and happy holidays. Have a good day. Thank you so much.